Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this festive Indian glam makeup look. So I know this year's festivals were really sad, like Ganpati was sad and Navratri is also gonna be sad because there is no Garba this year. But it's okay, I still wanted to do this makeup look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So I have got the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see everything that is happening on my face. So as soon as I came out of the shower, I did these two steps. I used this Fruit AHA Skin Revitalizer for acne and acne marks. This is by Dermaco. I'm still testing this out. So far so good. Like I started using it yesterday only and my skin feels really soft, but still I need some time to test it out. By month end I will let you guys know what I feel about this. Then this is also a product that I'm testing out. This is the Derm Doc Moisturizing Under Eye Serum. I have been using this for a week. I haven't seen any difference, but so far so good again. So I just put this under my eyes and that's all I have put on my face for now. Let's go ahead and moisturize. So I'm gonna use my favorite moisturizer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge. Next up, I'm gonna use this purple 24K Jewel primer to just like fill in my pores. This is like a silicone based primer. You just need a tiny amount and start pressing it in your pores. Do not rub it, just press it, otherwise it will start peeling off. So I recently posted a reel on my Instagram and a lot of you guys said that are you using your earring as your मांग टीका? How is that even possible, you guys? Like ये जो होता है यहाँ पे जिससे हम अंदर डालते हैं वो दुखेगा ना यहाँ पे? How? I mean, am I missing something? Let me know. So I have the मांग टीका. It's like a set. An Instagram store sent me. If you are interested in these earrings, I'll leave the Instagram handle in the description box. So I'm gonna use my favorite foundation. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin. If you are looking for like a high-end foundation to invest in, look no further. Go to a Nykaa store or any Sephora store. Get your shade checked and use this. I am in the shade 2.22. Already moisturized my lips, but I'm gonna do it again. This is the Nivea lip balm. My Neutrogena lip balm is over. The base is nicely done. Also you might hear thoda noise because I have kept my AC on. I always switch off my fan and AC and everything, but October heat is killing me, you guys. My base was like melting, so I was like, let's keep the AC on for a while, so forgive me for that. Let's move on to eyebrows. So I'm gonna use the Benefit pencil and also the Etude House pencil. So I'm gonna use both of them. और बताओ क्या चल रहा है life में? I am so sad that Navratri is not gonna happen this year, like Garba. If you know me, you know that from past 2 years I am making like lookbooks for Navratri and all, and I go every day to play Garba. I think Ganpati and Navratri are my favorite festivals. So this week is kind of important for me work-wise. I have a lot of collaborations and I have a lot of things that I am planning to do. I don't know, मतलब successful होगा तो ही आपको पता चलेगा, but नहीं हुआ तो you will never know what I was planning. But yeah, let's see how things unfold. Okay, so we are going to be using the Huda Beauty palette today. This is the Desert Dusk palette. First, I am taking this bone shade and just dusting it all over my lid. This just helps to blend your shadow later. Now I'm going to take this shade. Best part about this palette is that it does not have any fallout. Like you can see the kickback over here, but when you start blending it, you don't get a lot of fallout. The shimmer shades do have a fallout, but not the matte shades. Now I'm gonna take this burnt orange shade and pack this shade tightly in my crease.
This shade is so beautiful. I can't even tell you, like it's not even picking up on camera. It's so beautiful.
So we are gonna take this maroon shade and put it in our outer corner. I just put that orange shade on my lower lash line, and eye makeup is almost done. We just have to like put mascara and falsies and all of that. But let's just finish our base makeup first. So I am using my favorite blush. This is the Color Bar blush in the shade Flushed Satin. You can easily do this makeup look for Durga Puja or anything, as a matter of fact. A lot of girls ask me that Mansi, make a tutorial using golden shade or copper shade. It doesn't matter with the colors, you know, you just need to know the technique, and then you can switch up the colors. Like for example, in place of the purple shade, you can try golden shade or some silver shade. I'm gonna contour ever so slightly, only my nose. I'm gonna use my only contour powder that I always use. This is the Makeup Revolution Duo. I think, I don't know where you get it. I bought this from Purple, but I can't find it anymore, so I think it's discontinued. Okay, so for my highlighter, I'm using the K-Beauty highlighter. I am in the shade Frosted Eyes. So I'm gonna set my face real quick. I'm using this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Can you see how luminous my skin's looking now after the spray? Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lips and then I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm actually confused which shade to go for. I have like these two shades. But is it too brown for this look? Yeah, it's too brown. I need something bright. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this shade. I just swatched it and it looks really beautiful. But I'm gonna line my lips with this Nykaa lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight. Now we're gonna use this shade Tea Rose. I really like these crayons. They are so long lasting, they are so creamy, they don't make your lips look dry and chapped. I think I'm gonna line my upper lash line ever so slightly just for the sake of it with this one and only liner that I have by K-Beauty. I really like this. Okay, so clearly I just went overboard on this side because achanak se bell baji and I got scared. But theek hai, I tried to even it out on this side, which clearly is not. Like both my eyes look different, but once the lashes come, it's gonna look fine. And even if it doesn't, we'll just correct it later. So it's okay if you make mistakes, it's not a big deal. Just keep moving forward. And then I'm gonna use my new favorite mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Look at this, look at this. Okay, so I have put lashes, change of plans. I didn't put the Pack 03, I put the Pro Art premium lashes. They were out of stock, but they are back in stock. Please go buy them, they are so good, just for 170 rupees. A great steal, you have to buy them. Okay, so I've just taken this dupatta to make it look more traditional. Only one last step is left, which is putting on this kohl pencil, like a nude pencil by Pack in my waterline. I know a lot of you guys are asking me for vlogs on my vlogging channel. There is nothing happening in my life. As I said, if something happens after this week, I will start vlogging. But yeah, and my cousin's wedding is coming up in December and Jan, like in that period, engagement and all of that. So you're gonna see a lot of traditional looks. Also, you're gonna see a lot of fun vlogs. So just be patient for another month. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do. I'll be leaving all the links of these products with their shade names and everything in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye. For today's, oh my god, beauty palette today. Myself. So in today. All my bloopers are about this only. Only this.